So what you making, Mama?
Okay, what I'm making is, okay, remember a while back I had did that C Pac chicken, and what I had left over was the beans, and then I made into chili, and so this is the ending of it, which is barely a bowl full, good size bowl, but I'm gonna throw it in here with the spices that I had in there from the C Pac, the packages. And I'm going to make Hearty Soup with it. So I went ahead and threw it in there. I don't know if you can see the beans. And when I made the leftover of the rice, I had a picture on Facebook of I made white rice, steamed white rice, and then I put the chili on top, and it was really good. So I put the white rice in here. I threw in a can of corn, a can of beans. And then you brought me from the yard some carrots, which I'm trying to soften them up in here, sauteing them with, right here, this meat is leftover turkey meat from our turkey dinner from Thanksgiving that I froze, so I took some of it out. As you can see, I don't know if you want to take a picture, but there's frozen turkey in that bowl that I took out.
The rest of the frozen turkey.
Yes, and I de-thawed it and cut up the carrots. And the greens here, which we had a big green, what is it, mustard green?
Yeah, it's a mustard green. Yeah.
The mustard green, it was huge. I just cut the ending of it, sliced it down. Some of it's cut up here, and I put it in here. It's really spicy, so I added some more spice in there and then I cut up a garlic and put it in there. I'll probably go ahead and chop up some onion and throw it in and put it all in there, and it'll be like a thick Hearty Soup, and I'll serve it with some bread and stuff. So I'll just let this sit and simmer after I put it all together until tonight's dinner, and the kids hopefully will like it. I won't tell them what it is from the leftovers, but I threw it all together.
Yeah.
So
see, Mama experiments on me all the time. She just starts making soup with different stuff and adds it all in. And man, it's usually really good. So.
You want to taste it from time to time and see it, because sometimes the more you add water, the more stuff you add, the more water you end up doing. So some of the flavor is kind of gone away. So I would need to add more salt or something. Or you can add a little more spice if it needs to. But right now it tastes really good. That's why I put in this. The mustard green, because it'll give it a little kick. So, but you can add whatever you want. I mean, if I had leftover pasta, I probably would put it in there.
Baby, you can experiment on me anytime.
Yeah. So just letting you know, that's what I did, and hopefully we'll do a little quick video of the after when we serve it into a bowl, and I'll let you see. So, sounds good?
Sounds like a
All
deal.
right, see you later. Okay, do scroll everybody.
I did already.
Squirrel, everybody.
It's been recording now.
Yay! So this is the family. Everybody came over for family dinner, and we're having oh, Corey.
He's away.
He knew. He knew. So I'm gonna serve Daddy, and this is like thick and hearty soup.
Jack wants some.
Yep.
Look, you look like a prisoner.
And
No, he's poisonous.
a little
Watch
bit
out.
of parsley on there, sprinkle, drizzle. You want some cheese? I have to get
No,
some
I'm good.
cheese. And then you get your bread.
You get it? You get a good view of it?
Ooh, fancy.
Yeah, right?
Garnish.
Fancy. I know the garnish. And there's your bread.
Am I supposed to test it?
Yeah, you can test it.
Now we're gonna see if it's poisonous.
Yeah, his daddy tastes it. His immune system's really good.
That's true. I got a cast iron gut.
It's hot.
Oh my god.
No, it's really good.
Really good?
Yeah, really good.
Okay, so there you go. Now we're all gonna have dinner together. We'll have some dessert. My girls brought out Brenda and her.
Can we show the cookies?
Only one girl.
Only one girl.
I didn't bring cookies, yeah.
Brought some cookies.
They're holiday dinosaur cookies with meteors in them.
Wow.
And they're
Is it meatier than the soup? You know how long it took us to get those meteors?
And then this is what I made earlier, which we will have. Which they didn't know, but I made
Surprise!
some cinnamon rolls. So we'll cook that after.
cinnamon rolls.
We'll have some of that for dessert too. So yeah, so there you go. Until next time, everybody have a good day.
Bye.
So I want to say to my family that's far away, love you guys. Love you, Mama. Connie, Tina, Marky, family. Bye. Shout out to my family. All right.
A list scrolling on the street of the family.
Of all the people you did.
Wear your mask. Shouts out to my ancestors.
Right.
Ciao.